So everyone keeps asking me how to make money while crypto is dipping, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I am making the most while crypto is dumping and how I would trade and the markets that I would trade. So let's get right into this. The first thing that I would do is definitely look for short opportunities on, like main cryptos like Bitcoin, Sol. But I'm going to be focusing on BTC over the next couple months, as I believe we're going into a long-term bear market. And how I'm actually going to trade these is look for setups exactly like this. So in yesterday's video, we found this setup on BTC, analyzed it, and said exactly why we're going to be trading this. As you can see, we have this beautiful setup with these supports here, right here. As you can see, I'll zoom out. You can see we had this dip that came down into the 72k range, and then we were totally just in this box of support, right? And then I didn't realize this last video, but we had a resistance. Alright, real quick to interrupt, but if you're watching this video thinking, wow, I should have taken that trade, that's exactly why I built Opportunity Engine. Every day the system scans thousands of futures in crypto markets looking for flash crash opportunities, support breaks, dead cat bounces, high probability short opportunities, Bitcoin, ETH, Solana, major crypto callouts, tokenized stock opportunities. Inside the Discord, you'll get real-time alerts, daily market briefs, trade ideas, and chart breakdowns, and a lot of alpha that all these other servers and people that are providing callouts do not give. So I'm giving a 7-day free trial to anyone who joins the server, and an extra day for any friends that they invite. So feel free to come and watch the alerts in real time and decide for yourself. All right, let's get back to the video right here. I didn't even realize that. So we did have a resistance right here, and then right here, right? So this was almost a triple top with an older resistance. And yeah, I'll just cut right to the chase here. We had this trade, entered, and yeah, it went down a lot. I actually exited not all the way down here, but you can see it made a good amount off of that trade. And yeah, shorting Bitcoin on these types of setups will be the #1 way to make money. There's a couple different setups that you could take here. You can see we took this one and it's absolutely went crazily down. You could even buy off of these support levels right here, these older ones. These are March lows, but I believe the best opportunity for BTC will be right here, right? So in this support line, if we do not bounce off of this straight away, or this one, as you can see, we dipped all the way from 74 down to 67, and now we are headed toward this next one at around 65. So if we have another trade that we're taking for BTC in the near future, it would be a consolidation to dump, just like the one above, or a bounce off of the support line here. And if we break through that, I'm going to look for a bounce off of this one, and then in the end here, I'm going to look for a bounce off of this one down here. Okay, so obviously when we zoom out on the chart here, we see that BTC already broke through this one, already broke those highs. It's going down, and the next place it is headed is to this line right here, which would be the support, or March lows as people call it. And then we are headed toward this support line from February, right? And then we have our all-time low over here from the start of February as well. So some trades that I would recommend taking, and this is not financial advice, is a short-term long off of March lows. I would not hold this for very long. I would hold it for a good gain or small gain, whatever you want to do. That's the trade that I'm thinking about taking. Maybe stop loss in this range down here. And yeah, another trade you could also take is a long from this range, which would be the February support. Yeah, in this range here of 63, in between 62.5, that would be another trade that you can take. And then one last trade for BTC that you can take, again, not financial advice, would be a long-term short after 59,000 is broken. I believe we're entering into a long-term bear market. So yeah, after this support is broken at 59, there's not much more we can hold on to, except for this long-term 50k, which 50k is a very psychological number. So people, there'll be a lot of volume when it comes down to this range. Yeah, those are three trades you could possibly take there. I'm looking to do a long-term short if we break under 50k or under 60,000. So yeah, those are some trades that you can take for BTC. Okay, now let's get into some other different type of markets that I'll also be trading during this bear market. I'm also going to be looking for coins to short that are based on Solana on this site called KSEX. I'm going to have the link in the description. I'm looking for different types of altcoins and different types of memes that get listed. So as you can see, we have this MAGA meme that's up 14% today. This is on Solana and it's based on Solana. As you can see, it's had a full dump since it released, but it's having sort of a dead cat bounce right now in the last couple hours. As you can see from the lows, I'm going to be watching these types of coins and, you know, just seeing what happens. So this was 21% higher than it was. So there's a chance that this could keep going up and then we can get a good short and make, you know, a little bit of money off of that. And yeah, there's a whole bunch of different coins you can trade like this. You can go on Dex Screener and view all of these coins that are based on Sol. You can see Troll is up, you can see Asteroids up. This one has a little bit of a narrative behind it, but it is dying out in my opinion. As you can see, full on die out. This could be a decent short. Stop loss up there. And yeah, Solana based memes are going to be good to short during this bear market. If any new ones get listed, always look into those. We have all the new Solana memes that are getting listed in the server. So yeah, feel free to join that. And then another market that I'm going to be trading during this bear market is stocks, which is really cool because we have these tokenized stocks. Another thing we actually have in the Discord, linked in the description. But you can actually trade these tokenized stocks. Like today, Marvel is up 26%. And yeah, there's money to be made in these, especially since you can leverage trade these. And yeah, you can see this went from 197 to 280 in the last day, which is a 30% gain, which is a lot of money if you're trading with a 10k position, if you're taking the callouts from the survey, right? So you can see a lot of these stocks actually have to do with AI and semiconductors. We have some new IPOs coming out that are getting listed in the next couple months, which is also another opportunity to make money if you're holding a long-term position in these, like SpaceX, Anthropic, and what else was it? We had SpaceX, we had Anthropic, and we had OpenAI, right? So I believe investing in these IPOs like that have to do with AI, like Anthropic and OpenAI, will be beneficial if you're holding long-term, possibly even like 10 years. You could possibly see a 10x on your, you know, money on your returns. So that will be also very good if you invest in those. You can trade these with leverage on KSEX as well, which is really cool. And yeah. Thank you to SolPump for sponsoring today's video. SolPump is a top on-chain Solana gaming platform that I like using, especially when markets are slow and there's not much action. All you have to do to get started is connect any Solana wallet like Phantom and you jump straight into their games directly from the wallet. You can try their 50-50 coin flip, on-chain blackjack, and crash style games. They also offer daily rewards like a free Solana case and hourly airdrop style bonuses. Plus, they have their own token, SolPump, that you earn as you play. If you want to play where I play and stay active even when the markets are quiet, head over to SolPump and use my code SLEEP. Now, let's get back to the video. There's a couple of other, small strategies you could trade with, like looking for airdrop dumps. You can look for unlocks of certain tokens in futures, and then you can even take the callouts that are in the server below. You can join. We do all these callouts for all these futures when they start to die out, which is very beneficial during a bear market. You can see all these coins down 40, 30, 26, 26, 23. All these are down very heavy today. So if you're entering into these trades and taking the callouts from the server, you could possibly make a lot of money, right? So we can see here RKC. This is a coin that is down 30% today. This is a Solana based meme. I called this out in the server. I called this out in Star server in the VIP if you'd also want to look into that. But yeah, this is a Solana based meme and you could have shorted this, made money, easiest money. I think I called this out at around like this range here. So yeah, you could have made like, I don't know, 170 so far from this. So that's a great trade. Also catching like flash crashes, like let's look at what's down today. Catching insane flash crashes like this, like Edge, we had this coin go from $1.10 down to 32 cents in 1 hour, right? So that is a huge dip. In the server, these get called out, so you can enter into the short around this range, right when it starts to get a unusual amount of selling volume. And yeah, you can enter in around $1 and sell around 30 cents, right? So there's a lot of profit to be made in those as well. But yeah, that is how I'm trading the market and maximizing my profits during the bear market in crypto. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. Comment down below what other videos you guys would like to see. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.